Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to claim Robux and please donate. So the first thing to do is to log into your Roblox and then kindly go to this Robux icon here. So if you're going to tap this one, you can see 0 Robux or buy Robux. It's because I haven't got any transactions yet. So if you're going to claim Robux, all you have to do is to go to this area. Okay, you can tap the summary and it will pop up right here. So you don't need to click anything, you don't need to do anything. All you have to do is to wait. It's because there's a proper time for that for you to claim your Robux. It will appear here. You can see a clock icon, and by looking at that, you can see the status of your Robux. Like, when are you going to claim it? Are you going to claim it after a week, or after 2 weeks, or days, or hours? It will appear here. Also, if you started having a transaction on buying Robux, then you can see here type of transaction. You can see proof of purchase, or there are also some options there. So it will appear once you started buying Robux. And that's how easy it is. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.